Hey, hi, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a barbecue road trip. First stop, we're going to go to Kansas City, where Mad Scientist BBQ Jeremy Yoder is putting on a free event to show who's got the best barbecue, Texas or Kansas City. What do you think? Next stop, we're going to go to Illinois. I've got a new pit being built. It's a direct heat cooker, so let's get to it. We got a lot of driving to do. So I just filled up with gas. I'm in my hometown, Jackson, so we've got about a 7-hour drive. So we're going to get to it. We're heading to Kansas City. We're going to cook some barbecue, hang out with some friends, serve the community. And then after that, we're on to new adventures. All right, let's get to it. Just made pit stop number 1. We're on the Iowa-Illinois border, some small town. I don't even know what it's called. Pro tip, if you're running low on gas, stop at the nearest gas station because there is nothing out here. Took me a little bit to find a gas station. This one's not even open. You can see behind me the lights are all off. Couldn't even go in to get any drinks or snacks or anything like that. So we got, it's about midnight right now. We got about another 350 miles. So we'll probably be to the Kansas City area around 4:30, 4:45. Unfortunately, the gas mileage sucks while towing a trailer, so we'll probably have to make another stop before we get to Kansas City. So we'll definitely be stopping again, but we keep on going. Team no sleep. All right, let's get it. All right, pit stop number 2, now in Iowa. It is 2:13 in the morning. We still got about 2.5 hours to go until we get to Kansas City. Luckily, we were out of small town Illinois, so I actually found a gas station that was open. Could go to the bathroom, fill up the Yeti with some Red Bulls, and we're going to get some gas. Carry on with our little adventure here. 2.5 hours to Kansas City. We're almost there. All right, so we made it to Kansas City. What I didn't film was when I went and scooped up the guys at the cook site. So I went and picked up Brad, picked up Joe Yim. They were doing rib shift, so we came back to Airbnb. Everybody was pretty tired, so I'd been up 26 straight hours. Those guys had a pretty long day, so got rested up here at the Airbnb, and we should be heading out soon. Go get with Jeremy and the rest of the crew and start serving some barbecue.
restaurants do it. I want to try to do it myself in the backyard.
I'm with you. I got like the Franklin book 10 years ago, or
Same.
and that was me too.
Yeah. Well, cool. Well, thanks for sitting down. Appreciate it.
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, it was nice to meet you guys. I never thought I'd be able to meet all three of you guys separately, let alone all at the same time.
Taking it on the road.
Yeah, it's a great idea. I'm glad you guys did it. But yeah, you guys have a good one.
Cooked on it yet, but
Okay.
when I get back, probably this week, we'll fire it up. Get the season up.
Got to. We got to see that first smoke. I'm sure it was going to be some ribs.
Yeah.
The people, I follow you, y'all. This is what I watch on I don't watch television. I watch what new video y'all coming out with. And so to actually have an opportunity, my wife was asking me because I didn't think I was going to get any food because, you know, they said it was all sold out. I was like, I'm not going there for the food. I'm getting
Some up to date. Here, I'll get it from my husband actually. Hey, babe.
You can take this.
You're from Wisconsin?
Yes, sir.
We make.
Here you go. I've only had mine and one guy.
Yeah. I was worried it made it a little too hot, but people are digging it.
Remember it that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm learning.
Crooked Tree.
Crooked Pine.
Hey, buddy. You like barbecue? You like barbecue? You like Texas barbecue? No.
You do.
You like Kansas City barbecue? Oh,
You're being sneaky.
there we go.
All right, Joe Yim.
Okay.
I'll film you guys while you film each other.
So, what do you think about Texas barbecue?
I think Texas barbecue is good. I think Kansas City barbecue is good. Do you guys agree?
How you feel about the weather?
Not good.
I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Eric,
You guys would rather have that.
Oh yeah.
thank you,
No,
sir. I
thank you
appreciate
so
it.
much.
Yeah, I'll take one.
I'll have one
Breakfast
tonight.
beers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, guys.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Are you gonna be having one as well, or?
Me? No,
Okay, gotcha.
these are nice.
Corey,
I have a brisket and I have a rack of ribs.
how's your experience been here today?
Man, it's been amazing. It's
Yeah.
been amazing. I will not concede that Texas barbecue is better than Kansas City, but I will say
Oh,
it's
come on
amazing.
now.
It's
Come on.
it is absolutely amazing. Put it this way: Texas Texas barbecue is Tom Brady of barbecue.
What's Kansas City?
But Kansas City right now is the champ.
Oh, man. He says that, but he's got a whole tray of Texas barbecue.
You see what I'm
going
saying,
on.
though?
All right, all right.
I'm not fool enough to walk away empty-handed when there is barbecue to be passed out.
All right, Corey, you have a good day, man.
You as well.
Yeah, right when we started, there was a line of people.
Just like Mo Kasem.
Joe, what'd you do?
And so we were
What'd you do?
make sure.
What'd you do?
And like I was like I was smoking weed. I'm like, I'm looking around, and I was like, well, fucking
Isn't that what the kids call
That
it?
is what the kids call it.
I like brisket. I just like brisket.
So we've had Texas barbecue all over the U.S.
How'd you feel about the sausage again?
Gotcha. I think
No.
I think the sausage is outstanding. I mean,
Yeah.
it really is. To me, I haven't had the ribs yet, but of what I've tasted, to me it is absolutely the hands down the best on the plate. I think you can see the grind. It's just really nice consistency. The snap of the casing, beautiful. It's beautifully smoked. He did a really, really nice job. This is excellent. Love the flavoring with it.
You haven't opened yet. It's true.
How's the sausage, Jeremy?
Really good. Got a nice snap. Spicy.
Yeah.
And I love spicy. So I dig it. Nice work, Ben.
Thank you, sir.
It's on skates. That one stays at the restaurant. Yeah.
Totally
This
threw me
one's-
off because it has 3 doors.
I know, right?
Like, oh, it's 750.
But if you lift
people think of, but honestly, Sweet Baby Ray's is one of two. Casey Masterpiece is, man.
All right, we are getting ready to head out. Our time in Kansas City is done. Time to start the second part of this trip. We're going to head towards southern Illinois. Right now it's 6 in the morning. Definitely tired, but great time here in Kansas City. The event Jeremy put on was awesome. We had probably 300 people show up. pretty cool hearing some of the people's responses, what they thought about Texas barbecue compared to Kansas City barbecue. So make sure you watch for Jeremy's video. He even had a little surprise at the end where a KCBS judge actually showed up to talk what his thoughts were. But yeah, it's time to get going. We're going to head towards Illinois and get the second part of this trip going, which is why we've got that trailer on the back of the truck. We're going to pick up a new direct heat cooker. So we're going to get going. Play the game where when you set your navigation, whatever the time says you're going to arrive, you have to beat it. I am losing that game horribly. I think it said 11:30 originally. Now we're down to 11:39, and I'm doing like 85 miles an hour. So hopefully we catch up sometime. But on our way to Illinois, still in Missouri, I think. But we got about 2.5 hours to go, and then we should be arriving to pick up the pit. So stay tuned. Also, pro tip, when traveling, always check to make sure there's toilet paper in the stall. Always check. All right, last leg of the trip. We are finally headed home. The pit is strapped in. We just stopped for gas, get snacks, some drinks. Got about 5.5 hours and we'll be back in Wisconsin. So next time we should be in the backyard putting the pit away. This trip is over. Dropping the trailer off now. Excited to get back home. Spend some time with the family. I think we put on almost 2,000 miles in the last 2 days, so I'm definitely ready to get home. Pit is awesome. Sitting in the garage right now. Looking forward to cooking on that thing really soon here. If you guys want to walk around of that pit, just hit me up in the comments. I can make a video doing a full walkthrough of that pit. Really happy with it. Getting the builder of St. Michael's Smokers. Did a great job on it. So really excited about that. All right, finally home. Trip is over. Trailer's been returned. As you can see, we've got the new pit in the garage. Excited to get on that thing. If you guys want a full walk around or review of that, let me know in the comments. We can make that happen. Awesome weekend though. Had a fun time. Want to say thank you to Mad Scientist BBQ, Jeremy and Erica Yoder, for a great weekend having me along. I want to say thank you to Brad Robinson and Joe Yim for just encouraging me to do this, push out some videos and have some fun with it. So thank you guys. Look forward to see you again soon. But this is Taylor Meyer Barbecue. We're bringing Texas Style BBQ to the Dairyland. If you enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Plan on bringing some more videos out soon, hopefully. And until the next time, make sure you support your local butchers, local barbecue shops, and restaurants. We'll catch you in the next one.